Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time coming across one of my video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share to your friends and family. So today is another decoration. So I'm going to be doing cake slides, but I've done cake slides before, so I'm doing another different design, which is penguin. Most of you know penguin, so I'm going to be doing penguin cake slides. So I don't know if you can remember this that I left from my last video, that I'm going to keep and use to do cake slides or cake pops. So that's what I'm going to be using. Yeah, and also I have my buttercream. So I have my buttercream here, which I'm going to be using as well. If you guys want to know the way I make my buttercream or ganache, just let me know, comment it down below, and I will do a video how I make my buttercream and ganache. Okay guys, so I have my clothes is home. So I'm going to be putting all the cakes in there. So I'm mashing it. So I'm going to be putting my buttercream. I'm going to be putting the last buttercream. Okay guys, so that's how it is now. I'm going to change my gloves. I'm changing my gloves because it's a bit rough, so I'm going to change my gloves now. I have this is black chocolate, so which I'm going to be using. We all know that penguin, they have they are black, so that's why I'm using black chocolate. I'm going to put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds for it to get melt. This is my wooden stick. So this one is actually small. It's very small, because the one I have is finished, which is the big one, so which is this one. So it's finished. So I've poured that, but he hasn't arrived. So since I'm just giving the cake slide to my uncle Kate, so I just used the small one. So that's how you say the difference between the small one and the big one. So that's a big difference. So I'm going to manage it like that. That's my dark chocolate, actually black chocolate. guys, that's it. I'm going to put it in the freezer for like 5 minutes. Let's say 5 minutes. Yeah, so that's it. See, yeah guys, so it's strong now and very hard, so it's time to put that, which I'm going to be putting now. So that is it guys. So I'm going to be putting the black chocolate on top of it. So I'm going to put it in the fridge for like 5 minutes. Yeah guys, so it's ready. Yeah, that's it guys. So I'm going to be decorating just this one and show you guys how to do it, and I'll decorate the rest of the camera so that this video will not take time. So here is my fondant. I'm going to color the nose with the same color and the red. So I'm going to put on my gloves so that the color will not stain my hand. To put this aside and change my gloves and color black color. I'm going to change my gloves and color green. That's green. Take out my gloves. So I'm just going to put dipping chocolate. I need to do the eyebrow, so I just dip the wooden stick on the chocolate and just, that's it. So that is it. Tell me guys what you think about this. I'm going to do the rest later because they've woke up, so I need to go attend to them. Okay guys, I'm done with my cake slice. So that's the one I did. I've showed you guys, so that's it. You can see it. Yeah, so that's it. Okay guys, so I'm going to do a shout out now. So today's video, my shout out goes to Fixx. So I'm going to put a channel just up there. She's amazing, and she does makeup, bridal hair, and anything you want to do. Yeah, please guys, if you can go to her channel and support her, subscribe to her channel. She teaches people as well how to do hair and makeup. She's really good, so you should check her out. Her makeup is splendid. I love her makeup, so you should check her out guys. And also another shout out goes to Joyceworld TV. Yeah, Joyceworld TV. She's amazing as well. She does reaction video to songs. I'm going to put her channel up there so you guys can check her out. So yes guys, okay, I'm going to stop here. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and also share to your friends and family if you like this video, and tell me which other decoration of cake slice you want me to do, and I will do that. Okay guys, bye. Love you guys.